Okay, we bought this Croc liner mat for the back of the Kia Soul here. Let me get this thing unpackaged and installed. Take a look at it. Looks like it needs to rest out in the sun for a little bit. So I'll go ahead and fit it. It's got the cutouts, so it should fit perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and let it sit in the sun. But as you can see, looks like it's a good quality. Durable. Be perfect. Okay, here's the new Croc cargo mat. It's been sitting a day. Let me move some of the stuff out of the way and see how it's settled. Looks like it needs to do a little more. I did not leave it out in the sun. I just plopped it in there. But it's a good durable mat. The plastic feels good. It's kind of more of a plastic than a rubber. But so far I'd recommend it. I'll leave a link on in the description there. You can check them out yourself on Amazon.